Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we're going to see the exact method to add social sharing button in your WordPress website. And this is a step-by-step tutorial. So please follow up and maximize in your result and stay tuned until the last moment. And please subscribe to US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials almost every day. So now let's jump into it. As the first step in the process of adding social sharing buttons in WordPress website, now I'm going to proceed to my WordPress website. And this is a demo website where now I'm going to show you the exact method to add a social sharing button in your home page, post page, or pages, and many more. And so as the first step, now I'm going to proceed to my WordPress dashboard. And this is my dashboard of WordPress. And now I'm going to proceed to the plugin section. And here it shows me install plugin, add new, and plugin file editor. So now I'm going to click add new. And now I'm going to cut this, and now I'm going to search for add this. And now I'm going to search for this. And I have left a space, so don't leave a space. Simply without leaving a space you can search. And now as you guys can see, this plugin which says WordPress share buttons plugin by add this, and this theme is a great theme, so you guys can install it simply by clicking install now. And it's installing and installed. So now I'm going to click on activate. And as you guys can see, this share button by add this is activated. And you guys can see this plugin is activated, and there is a widget in the sidebar. As you guys can see, this shows me home. And now I'm going to proceed to the home, and the home section will ask me to sign in using my account. So this is optional and we don't need to sign in. So now I'm going to click on advanced settings, and this let's handle this after we come to the after we visit the share buttons. And here the share buttons are 0, and no share buttons are added yet. So now I'm going to add a new share button. So now I'm going to click on add new, and here it shows me custom HTML inline or sidebar. So now I'm going to add a sidebar first of all. So now I'm going to click on select, and now I should select the position, the desktop and mobile. So now I'm going to select the position as right in the desktop, and the mobile I want to place it as none. For the right one will look little ugly, so I'm going to place it in the left side. And I can check my share count using this one. So now I'm going to place it as in none, and I can edit the social networks which will be shown in the widget. So now I'm going to place the Facebook, Twitter. I'm going to close the email one, and I'm going to delete the add this. So now I'm going to search for Instagram, and Instagram is not there, so let's search for Telegram. Now I'm going to add the Telegram, and now I'm going to search for Reddit. So I'm going to search for the Reddit, and I want to add another one which is WhatsApp. And now, as you guys can see, I have added over 6 social media networks. And now I'm going to proceed to the design section. And now I'm going to place this design as modern. And I can customize the size of the buttons. So now I'm going to place the buttons as it is, and I'm going to keep the theme as transparent too. And now I'm going to click on the templates, and where should our floating bar or the social icon share button in the sidebar should appear in the home page, posts, pages, archives and categories. So now I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to open my website to check whether it is published. So as you guys can see, this look pretty good, and this is published successfully. So now I'm gonna select or click a blog post of mine. So now I'm gonna add a social sharing button over here and here at the end of the blog post and the top of the blog post. So now I'm gonna again go to the at this share buttons dashboard, and now I'm going to click on share buttons, and I'm going to simply click on add new, and I'm going to select the inline, and now I'm going to leave the share counter as none, and now I'm going to select my own platform and the own social network sharing. So now I'm going to keep Facebook, Twitter at this. So now I'm going to enter Telegram and add this. So I'm going to place the add this menu, and I'm going to position this in the I'm going to remove all of these, and I'm going to place only the above the blog post. So now okay, now I'll select my style as modern responsive, and I'm going to place it as large. So now I'm going to click on publish, and this is a very simple process, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to refresh my website, and as you guys can see, this floating bar or the sidebar sharing also enabled, and the inline is also enabled. And now we have successfully added our social buttons successfully. As you guys can see, this is appearing, and when I click WhatsApp, the API is opening. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next one.